All right, guys. So you guys need to understand something that's very, very crucial right now to do for Kaspa. So I know a lot of you guys, okay, are Kaspa holders, right? You guys are accumulating Kaspa, right? You guys are buying Kaspa. You guys are, investor in Kaspa, right? You guys are in the Kaspa community, right? This is the best time to buy Kaspa. That's what you guys need to understand. I'm pretty sure you guys know this, okay, already. But for the people out there that's watching this video right now, okay, and you guys are kind of, 50-50 on Kaspa, like I said many times, I highly suggest you guys to do your own research on Kaspa. Okay, do your own research on Kaspa, what Kaspa is, the technology behind it. Study what the block DAG is. And if you like it, right, if you like the technology behind it, of what Kaspa truly is and where it will be heading down in the future, buy it. It's that simple. Okay, so I told you guys many times, this is a great opportunity right now to buy Kaspa. Right now, as I am filming this video right now, Kaspa is currently still below 10 cents and it's currently at 8 cents, just below 9 cents right now. Okay, so Kaspa is super undervalued. I told you guys this many times, right? It is super undervalued. It is dirt cheap right now because you guys need to understand long term, Kaspa will be reaching the dollar ranges. Yes, Kaspa will eventually be reaching $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, $20, and beyond. Okay, that's going to be happening whether you like it or not, whether you are ready or not. It's going to be happening for Kaspa. And let me tell you guys something. Once we actually do see Kaspa finally reaching the dollar ranges, right? $1, $5, $10, and beyond, we will probably never ever see these prices again for Kaspa below 20 cents, even below 10 cents, like where it is right now, just below 9 cents. That's what you guys need to understand. So I don't know about you guys, but I am personally trying my best right now to accumulate as much Kaspa as I possibly can. You guys see that, right? For the past few weeks, few months, I've been accumulating a lot of Kaspa. And you guys know, okay, when I'm buying crypto, all I'm buying right now is Bitcoin and Kaspa. Just two coins, Bitcoin and Kaspa, right? And I'm not going to lie to you guys, right? I want to be transparent with you guys. For the past few months, I've been buying way more Kaspa than Bitcoin, and it makes sense, right? Because I've been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin for pretty much 5 years now, which is crazy, to think about. And for Kaspa, it's been pretty much almost a year now, okay, coming up to a year. So I'm trying my best right now to, accumulate more Kaspa right now. Okay, giving Bitcoin a little break. I'm still buying, Bitcoin, of course, every now and then. I'm still DCA into Kaspa, but I'm buying way more Kaspa, guys, okay, than Bitcoin. That's what you guys need to understand. So in today's video, there is, in fact, a fair few things that I do want to show you guys, some charts for Kaspa that I want to show you guys, because you guys need to understand Kaspa will be reaching new all-time highs. Okay, so be prepared for that. Right now, before I show you guys these charts, of course, I want to give you guys a quick update on what is exactly happening right now for Kaspa. So right now, Kaspa, like I said, is below 9 cents. So you guys can clearly see earlier this morning, actually, right, we did actually see Kaspa bouncing back up above 9 cents, okay, which was amazing. See, we're currently in the 1 hour time frame. You guys can clearly see Kaspa is now dropping. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, yeah, you guys just clearly see Kaspa has in fact been dropping, right? It seems like, every single time, okay, not every single time, but majority of the time that we do see Kaspa reaching back up to 9 cents, okay, it does drop back down to the downside, right? You guys can clearly see that. And right now, it is having a slight drop back down just below 9 cents, but we'll see if Kaspa will bounce back up, okay? But, right now, Kaspa, as I am filming this video, it is currently just below 9 cents. So we will see what will happen if we do see Kaspa, bounce back up above 9 cents, and then, maybe we'll see it continue to go back up to 10 cents. Okay, the last time we've seen Kaspa at 10 cents was like back in July, right, last month. Okay, so we will see where Kaspa will be heading, guys, right? But right now, so far, it is still below 10 cents. It is still a great time to buy, guys. Okay, it really is. So Kaspa today, it's up 2%, nothing too crazy, okay, just up 2%, okay, which is amazing to see. And so far this month, we are still in the greens, okay, slightly up 0.63%, nothing too crazy. So far Q3, we are still in the greens, of course, 18%, right? Because we know July was, in fact, a pretty decent month for Kaspa. We were up over 17%. 17.2%. So overall, looking pretty good for Kaspa for Q3. Okay, and I do believe this month, August, even potentially September, will be some amazing times for Kaspa, right? Because smart contracts, guys, is coming for Kaspa, as we all know. So like I said many times, this has been talked about for a while now, and as we all know, smart contracts will be launching for Kaspa in less than 24 days now, okay? So 31st of August this year, 2025, mark your calendars, guys. Finally, smart contracts will be launching for Kaspa, okay? So be prepared for that, guys. It's happening, okay? It's literally right around the corner. It's been talked about for a while, like I said, so be prepared, guys. Okay, be prepared for this. It's going to be huge. Now, the volume today for Kaspa, looking a bit more better than yesterday, right? $82 million. And the market cap right now for Kaspa is still sitting at 2.3 billion. Okay, so pretty much just like where it was yesterday. The next reduction is in 27 days, and the next board is 4.37 Kaspa. Okay, so look at this, guys. This is actually pretty interesting. So stock to flow visualizer, right? So in 2029, Kaspa will surpass Bitcoin in stock to flow ratio to become the most scarce commodity in history. Are you prepared for the flip? Okay, so in 2029, guys, okay, we'll see if the flip will happen for Kaspa. Okay, so pretty interesting. I came across this, and yeah, it was pretty interesting, guys. Okay, so we will see if the flip will happen for Kaspa for Bitcoin in the year 2029. Okay, so get ready for that. Now look at this, guys. Okay, Kaspa looks ready, okay, for the next leg towards 14 cents. Okay, so it says here correction finish, new higher low, made downside trend line broken. The next move can start. Kaspa is finally starting to accelerate again. You can see and feel it on the chart. Many higher highs and higher lows to come, right? So I can see it. Okay, I do see Kaspa, like I said many times, bouncing back up, right, to 10 cents, and of course to 11 cents, just like where it was a couple of weeks ago. Okay, and much higher to 14 cents, and it seems like it's showing the Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so get ready, guys. 14-cent Kaspa is coming, right? It is going to be happening very soon. Okay, and it's looking like we are having a slight breakout. Like it's literally happening right now. Okay, y'all clearly see that. So looking pretty good right now for Kaspa. Now look at this chart, guys. Okay, this chart just shows you guys, okay, where majority buys, okay, which is this blue box, okay, where majority sells, which is where we are right now. Okay, as we all know, I feel like a lot of people, not a lot of people, but some of us are losing faith for Kaspa because Kaspa's not really moving and it's been dropping. It's been going up and down. I get that, right? We've been seeing Kaspa a lot recently going back up to 10 cents, above 10 cents, and then we'll just drop back down below 10 cents. That has happened many times. Okay, but this is where majority of people lose faith for Kaspa. Okay, they're not patient enough. They don't understand where Kaspa's heading long term. I don't think people that are losing faith for Kaspa haven't done the full research on Kaspa, because why would you lose faith for Kaspa if you truly understand where this project is heading, not short term, but long term? Why would you lose faith now? It is super undervalued. We're so early into Kaspa, right? There is no hype around Kaspa. That's what you guys need to understand. Not a lot of people in the crypto space know about Kaspa or even talking about Kaspa or buying Kaspa. Okay, that's what you guys need to understand. It's not even listed on, tier 1 crypto exchanges like Binance, right? Coinbase, even something like crypto.com, OKX, you name it. Okay, so it just shows you guys how early we are in this project. Okay, we are so early, guys. That's what you guys need to understand. Okay, and once we do see Kaspa bounce back up to 20 cents, because this is going to be happening shortly, sooner than you guys think. Once we do see Kaspa reaching back up to 20 cents, even reaching a new high where this green box is, this is where majority of people will FOMO back in. I'm telling you guys right now, this is going to be happening for Kaspa. Mark my words. People that are selling Kaspa right now, people that are not buying into Kaspa right now at this very moment, right below 20 cents, okay, its previous all-time highs, even below 10 cents, people that are not buying right now, they will FOMO in later on when Kaspa starts to pump back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new all-time high, people will FOMO. FOMO will kick in, guys. Okay, understand that, right? Even Jim says here, right, better to accumulate before the green box. Okay, and that's very, very true. You guys better accumulate as much Kaspa as you possibly can before we enter this green box, because it's going to be happening. Okay, and I hope you guys are prepared. Now, I showed you guys this a couple of days ago, and this is true, right? Once we do see Kaspa reaching the dollar ranges, people are going to foam it in. People want to buy Kaspa. Okay, so it shows once Kaspa reaches $8, people are going to FOMO. People are going to be buying Kaspa. People don't want to buy Kaspa right now at 8 cents. They would rather buy it at $8. Okay, so understand, guys. This just clearly shows you guys that this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy some Kaspa below 10 cents, below 20 cents even, right? Because we may not see these prices ever again for Kaspa. Okay, so understand when we do see Kaspa reaching the dollar ranges, $1, right, to $5, $10, $20, $30 and beyond. Of course, I'm talking long term here, right? We may never ever see Kaspa reaching back down below 20 cents. Even below 10 cents, of course, right? So just think about that. This is what I always tell you guys. This is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy and accumulate as much Kaspa as you possibly can. Now, of course, guys, this is not financial advice. None of my videos is financial advice. So always do your own research. Research on Kaspa. If you like Kaspa, if you like this project, you like the technology behind it, buy it. It's that simple. Don't listen to me, right? Do your own research so you guys fully understand where Kaspa is heading and why we are so bullish on Kaspa. Okay, so that being said, guys, as you guys know, I've been buying a lot of Kaspa recently, and today I decided to chuck in another $500 into Kaspa. You guys saw a couple of days ago I invested $500 into Kaspa, and today, right, I got another $500 just sitting around. So I'm gonna buy more Kaspa today, right? I'm feeling pretty bullish. Okay, I really am, and today I'm just feeling like a buy. Okay, so we're gonna chuck in another $500 into Kaspa. That we have it, I'll be getting pretty much over 3,000 Kaspa tokens, so 3,500 just below it, right? So I confirm buy, and there you guys have it, right? Today I accumulated and bought more Kaspa, right? Because we may not see these prices again for Kaspa, right? Below 10 cents, below 20 cents. So this is a great time to accumulate as much Kaspa as you possibly can. So that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. I will keep you guys up to date on what's going to be happening with the Kaspa. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel. That is always much appreciated. And yeah, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.